Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best value for your money. Today, we're taking a close look at the Bounty Paper Towels Quick Size, White, 16 Family Rolls, which equals 40 regular rolls. If you're looking for a paper towel that's both highly absorbent and budget-friendly, this might just be the product you need in your home. Bounty has long been a trusted name in the paper towel industry, and for good reason. These quick-size rolls offer a smart, cost-effective solution to cleaning up messes without breaking the bank. With each roll providing more sheets than the average brand, you're getting more for your money. This pack of 16 family rolls gives you a total of 1,872 sheets, which means you'll be set for a long time, and with the quick size feature, you can adjust the sheet size depending on the size of your mess. What makes these paper towels stand out is their incredible absorbency. Whether you're wiping up spills, cleaning countertops, or drying hands, Bounty paper towels get the job done quicker with less waste. This is because they are more absorbent than many leading brands, meaning you won't need to use as many sheets per task. In fact, these towels pick up messes faster than most other brands, making cleanup easier and more efficient. Another feature that makes Bounty quick-sized paper towels an exceptional value is the ability to choose your sheet size. Whether you need a small square for a quick wipe or a larger sheet for a bigger mess, you can tear off just the right amount. This versatility means you're never wasting extra sheets for smaller tasks, adding even more value to each roll. For those who care about sustainability, Bounty is a standout in its commitment to quality and performance. These paper towels are highly rated, and they've earned the title of the most awarded paper towel for 6 consecutive years. So, whether you're tackling a small kitchen spill or cleaning up after a family event, you can trust Bounty to handle it with ease. At $43.49 for 16 family rolls, which equals 40 regular rolls, these towels come out to just $2.32 per 100 sheets. Considering the quality, durability, and performance, this is an unbeatable deal for those who need a reliable paper towel that can handle all kinds of messes without requiring you to constantly restock. In conclusion, the Bounty Paper Towels Quick Size, White, 16 Family Rolls offer exceptional value, top-tier absorbency, and the flexibility you need for every cleaning task. With their superior cleaning power and cost-effectiveness, it's easy to see why they're a go-to product in homes everywhere. If you're looking for a paper towel that offers great performance while saving you money, Bounty is the way to go. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more product insights. See you in the next video.